Welcome, dear friends. Today is the fourth Sunday of Easter. Theme: The Good Shepherd. Grace: to experience that I am in need of God's guidance in my life. Jesus offers a clear contrast among shepherds. This would apply to priests, parents, and all of us in our own unique way. The contrast he offers is between the one who cares deeply for those entrusted to their care and those who are just going through the motions and are more motivated by selfishness than sacrificial love. This love is seen also in unwavering love of a parent, sibling, or a dear friend. When the love one offers is unwavering, especially in difficult times, this is a great support. And the love offered to another like this forges a deep spiritual bond that is stronger than any hardship we may face. No matter what storm comes our way, we must know of the unwavering support of the Divine Shepherd. And when we see that love made manifest in the unwavering support of others, we are doubly blessed. Jesus is willing to do whatever is necessary so that not one of his flock is lost or hurt. Am I willing to allow Jesus to become the shepherd of my life? The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Lord, I thank you for your unwavering support to me as my shepherd. Help me to fulfill my role of shepherding your people whom you have placed in my life.